This is what gives your light, or gives your plants food. This is what makes your plants grow. If you want big plants, you need more light. It's not more nutrients, you need more light. The nutrients help them absorb the light, but the light is the plant's food. So the light is incredibly important. However, for the average home grower, they're not going to be able to go out, at first anyways, and buy the Mercedes of lights. You know what I mean? If you want to put it that way, compared to cars. I'm not a car aficionado either, so that's probably not my best comparison. But nonetheless, a brand new grower, probably, 16 years old, is not going to go out and buy a Ferrari for their first go around and growing cannabis. I think probably the smarter idea is to get something more affordable, but something that's still good quality, something that's maybe middle of the line, but something that's dependable, something you can count on, something that you know is going to grow really good quality plants for you. I don't know what the equivalent of that would be in terms of cars. I'm not even going to try. If you have an idea, go ahead and put it in the comments. Let me know what's the best middle range car comparison for a cannabis light if we were to do that. If HLG, if they were the Mercedes, the Ferraris, whatever, of lights, where would you put Spider Farmer if they were middle of the line? But I would say maybe even a little more than that, because this is a really top-notch light, especially for the price. This goes for, right now, I just looked at it earlier today, and it's May 3rd, I believe, and the price was $3.99. On sale, still with the 420 sale, for $3.79. So pretty affordable for a light that works in really is, I would argue, is too strong for a 2x4, but also works in a 3x5 tent as well. You can make that work. So a good, high quality, dependable, middle of the line light brand that, at least in my experience, I know not everybody's had this experience, but I think for the most part, most growers that I've talked to, they have really liked Spider Farmer. Customer service has been dependable, support has been good, and the lights have been durable, efficient, and everybody I've talked to has grown really good lights. So my recommendation when you get started, I typically I might even say buy something lower than Spider Farmer, because there are good lights out there that are even cheaper than Spider Farmer, but you're not going to get the same quality. So I tend to buy more for quality, what I can afford in my price range. Spider Farmer would meet that.